Welcome to Agency Hub. Today we want to build something very different. We want to build a PLC and SCADA system. You all know building a PLC is very expensive and needs a set of skills and softwares that we may not have, making it very expensive. So what if we can build one PLC with SCADA system to control our chicken coop, and that is what I want to show you in this video. So the ESP32 will run the PLC logic and SCADA system interface on the web, and then we have the Arduino Mega will work as our I/O controller, distributed I/O controller with capability of controlling up to 54 relays. Okay, so all communication will happen over Modbus RTU, making this a true industrial automation. So because ESP32-S3 has Wi-Fi capability, we'll use that to connect to Wi-Fi and host our SCADA system web interface. So SCADA system is a supervisory control and data acquisition system. So this is how the web interface will look like. It will have the dashboard. Dashboard will contain the humidity, temperatures levels. We have the ammonia levels in the coop, and all the environmental parameters in the kitchen coop. Chicken coop will be measured and displayed on the SCADA interface on the web page. So from there you can control the relays. We have section for the relays. For control, you can turn on off the relays. Maybe relays for the feeders, for the water system in the coop, relays for the fan, for temperature conditioning. We have the doors, the weight, not relay for the weight, no, for the doors, for the windows, and maybe automatic egg counter. When a layer lays an egg, it will be counted. So by the end of the day, you will be able to know how many eggs you have collected in one day, and you'll be able to measure the temperatures in that room, control them, control the feeding habits, control how they take water. Everything will be automated, and if you want to do or override manually, you go just to the chicken coop and do it manually. And you can also do it away, so long as the system is connected to the Wi-Fi and you are also online, you have the address to that web page, you can. Then we have what we call the hardware, and this is how the hardware will be looking. I have several sensors for the temperature, for the motion, for detection whenever maybe the chicken enter the room, and so forth. So those will help generate the control the environmental factors within the chicken coop, so that it is conducive for the growth of those chicken. Then we have automated door opening, door closing, laying system, and they count egg automatically. When the chicken lays egg, it will be counted. So by the end of the day, you can just look on the dashboard and see what you have at the end of the day. Then we have some other tabs that are still under development. I'm not done yet. That is just the layout. You have seen the software, how the software looks like. We have the software for the Arduino Mega that is working as a slave, and a master, that is ESP32-S3, that is controlled. They will be communicating through serial communication through RxTX communication. So the most important thing there is that we can control up to 54 relays, but we don't control it directly. We'll use another board that is a Darlington digital array. It's a board that will provide enough current for the relays to toggle on and off without damaging the Arduino Mega. It cannot handle all those relays because relays use a lot of current, and that can damage the board. So this is how the software looks like. We used Platform IO on the VS Code, and you can see the arrangement, the structure of the system from top to bottom, the softwares. We have the HTML, the CSS, the app.js, codings. We have codes for the ESP32. They're under one project, and I upload them at once. So it will upload first for ESP32, then upload codes for the Arduino Mega. And I've done that, and they all are responding. The code has no errors. It's only some improvement I need to do on the software so that the software is very effective and very smooth. So if you have not joined this movement, that is where Gen Z Hub, subscribe and ring that bell icon so that when I update the videos on YouTube on part 2, part 3, and other parts, you will be able to be notified and watch those other parts. So this is just the introduction. I've shown you where I've come from and where I'm at right now, and you have seen I've done most of the software development part. I've uploaded the code, and the codes seem to be working right correctly. So the next thing, I'll go to the hardware part, make sure that they are communicating properly and they are able to control some of relays, not 54, but a few, to demonstrate if the system indeed is working as per the expectation. Then yes, so give me a follow, then click the bell icon. We are on Instagram, we are on Facebook, and we are on TikTok at Wajenzi Hub, on TikTok and on YouTube and all the platforms. So see you next in the part 2.